Hey everyone! Welcome to another studio vlog. In this video you will see some clips from the past month. I start out with a plant unboxing and it was unexpected. It came in the mail right when I was about to start filming and had to open it, obviously. So that is what you are seeing right now. I ordered a cutting of a Monstera adansonii off of Etsy. I was very excited about it. I just placed it in some water and then later that day, which you will see in the video, I potted it into a pot. And after that unboxing, I started filming my next class for Skillshare, which is a watercolor class. So here are a few behind the scenes of that. So while you are watching this, a few of the other things that you will see in this video are just behind the scenes of some filming, some editing, and packing a few Etsy orders. And I also got this stamp from Noissue, so I will talk about that a little bit later on. The rest of the clips are just a few random things, like there's a couple clips of me putting up a shelf on my wall because I recently moved around my room and I had a few things to put back up on the wall. You'll see me watering my sunflowers outside and doing a little bit of drawing outside as well. But that is about all I have to say for right now, so I will be back when I am going to pack some orders. So as I've said, I got this stamp from Noissue, which is a company that creates custom sustainable packaging. So if you have an online shop and need some packaging or you want a cool stamp for your own, then definitely look into Noissue because of their sustainable and eco-friendly products. They have a variety of products that can be used for an online shop, such as tissue paper, stickers, stamps, tape. So as you can see, I chose the wooden stamp and this is what it looks like. If you order a manual wooden stamp, it will come with an ink pad, which is soy-based ink, and there are a few colors that you can pick from, and I picked this pretty teal color. You can design your own packaging, so whether you're designing a stamp or tissue paper, you can use their online design platform, which makes it super easy, or you can just upload your image and it's ready to go, which is what I did. and they made the stamp very quickly and it got here within 3 weeks. They also have free worldwide shipping, so if you're looking for a good brand to support and you need some sustainable, eco-friendly products, then definitely check Noissue out. I will leave their website linked below. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one.